Hello and welcome back to this learning video. In the very last learning video, we have started with a factorial notation and we have seen how to express a polynomial into a factorial notation. Now here in this learning video, we would take a polynomial in factorial notation and will convert the polynomial in factorial notation into a polynomial. And for that, you need the factorial notation, the particular factorial notations. These particular factorial notations are, we have x raised to the power 0 factorial is 1. X raised to the power 1 factorial is x. Then x raised to the power 2 factorial is x into x minus 1. X to the power 3 factorial is x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. And x raised to the power 4 factorial is nothing but x into x minus 1 x minus 2 into x minus 3. For the time being, I am writing up to x raised to the power 4 factorial because that is the requirement of this problem. Okay, so I will start with the very first, then second, and out of this third and fourth I will solve one you will solve. Okay, so the very first one, what is this? We have a factorial in, we have a polynomial in factorial notation as this. So you can write this x raised to the power 2 factorial as x into x minus 1 plus 1. Solve this. So when you solve this, you would get x into x squared minus x plus 1, and that is nothing but a polynomial after converting a polynomial in factorial notation. Now likewise you can take the second one. These are very simple things, very elementary. Okay, but as these were given as a try this problem, I am taking this. So x raised to the power 3 factorial plus 2 x raised to the power 2 factorial plus 9. Nothing is there means it is like x raised to the power 0 factorial. Okay. Now you can write this x to the power 3 factorial as x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 2 into x raised to the power 2 factorial. You can write as x into x minus 1, and the last one is 9 x raised to the power 0 factorial is 1. So 9 into 1 is 9. Simple. Now you can multiply this, so I will keep x as it is and multiply this as x into x squared minus 2x minus 1x plus 2. You multiply this, so this is 2x squared minus 2x plus 9. So this is now multiplied by this x, very elementary things, x into x cube minus 2x squared minus, okay, you can write minus 2x minus 1x minus 3x. So this is minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 9. So this get cancelled with this. So at last we will remain with x cube. This is minus x squared plus 9. Okay. So this is the second one, and let us see the last one. And as I said, I would be solving any one of this. So anything I can go with. I will go with 4. Third you solve. Third you try to solve. So the fourth one is x raised to the power 4 factorial minus 11 x raised to the power 2 factorial plus 7 x raised to the power 1 factorial. So we can write this one as x to the power 4 factorial can be written as x into x minus 1, x minus 2 into x minus 3 minus 11. What is x raised to the power 2 factorial? That can be written x into x minus 1 plus 7 x raised to 1 factorial is x. Now I will multiply this x into x, x square minus x, and multiply this. So this would be x square minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x plus 6. Very elementary, very simple. Then multiply this, minus 11 into x square minus x plus 7x. Now you multiply this, x square into x square, x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 6x square, now multiplied by minus x, minus x cube plus 5x square minus 6x, multiply this, minus 11x square plus 11x plus 7x. Okay, now collect the like terms. We have only one term of x to the power 4, x cube we have this and this, so this is minus 6x cube. Now look for the term of x square, so we have this 1x square, 1x square, 6x square, 5x square, 11x square, minus 11x square get cancelled. Okay, then look for the term of x minus 6 plus 7 is 1 plus 12. 1 plus 11, 12. So this is plus 12x. So this is how we convert the polynomial in factorial notation into a polynomial. Okay. So this is what we have. Still you have any query, you can write in the comment section, or whatever topic you want, that you want e-content or a video lecture on any of the topic, feel free to write. And this is what we have in this learning video. So thank you for watching and enjoy learning mathematics. Thank you.